This is part 2 of unboxing my Claire Bath and Body Works and Toy World stuff. So then the last thing of Claire's, which is in the next box, is like this little pencil case. It has several compartments, which is perfect for me because I have a bunch of school supplies. See, look how perfect that is. I thought there was something in there, but there's not. There's also like another side where you can put more stuff, which is, yeah, still perfect. And then there's like another little compartment thingy-majig. Wait, no, there isn't. I'm looking on the other side. So like, what is just like presses this thing down. And this is just like the last compartment in here. So yeah, that was the last of Claire. Let's move on to Bath and Body Works. Not that much. I got some hand sanitizer and pink hand sanitizer and some lotion. Okay, and then time for Toys World. Yes, you saw something leak out. And this is Stitch plushie. A Stitch plushie. Look at him. He looks so cute. Nice cute little Stitch plushie. So cute and fluffy. I love him. He's the most cutest thing in the world. And then 2 more items. I got an angel keychain that says Stitch on it for some reason, not Angel. I don't know why. I'm gonna set that back in there. And then I got a Stitch one as well. He's cute, and you can't say he's not. Look at him, he's holding Lilo Small. And it says Stitch with Angel and Stitch. Cuties. Anyway, that was it.